So 10 months ago, I stood out here in this shop and I said this. What I really want to do, this is big long-term goal, is I want to build small batches of lapidary machines, okay? And I'm not talking about making rock tumblers, making cab machines. No, I have some very good, interesting, unique ideas. And I would like to do some small scale manufacturing of machines, but not just make machines and sell them. I want to show you how to make them. That still holds very, very true today, right? I want to build machines, okay? It's a long process. Things have been hectic at times out here, but I have made some big steps in the right direction to get to the point where I can start manufacturing small batches of lapidary machines, unlike anybody has ever seen before. But to get there, well, I'm taking baby steps. The first steps to getting that done. And I guess really the first steps happened years ago when I came up with this. This is my prototype Intarsia fence for the flat lap here. And well, that prototype turned into the first batch run of Intarsia fences. This is one of them right here, okay? And that was kind of like a testing of the waters to see, hey, are people going to like my ideas? Are people going to want some of these different things? And the response was overwhelming. You know, that kind of showed me that there is a need in the lapidary world that needs to be filled, and it's not being filled by the existing manufacturers that are just making the same old things. So fast forward a little bit, a lot of efficiencies happened after that first production run of fences, and the second batch is now finished. I learned a lot about like fixturing and making of jigs and kind of making the process of constructing something more efficient, as well as well, just there's a lot to the process of getting a company started like this. You know, you got to think about packaging, right? You got to think about packaging. You got to think about processing credit cards, PayPal, Venmo. What happens if something goes missing in shipping? Even just down to, you know, like coming up with like a fun logo, right? Like what's the branding look like? These are all big steps that you have to go through. It's not fun to look at. It's not fun to talk about, but I'm trying to share with you guys what I've been up to. And well, I did a batch of 31 Intarsia fences. At the time of recording this right now, well, there's 22 left. And I built a fully functioning e-commerce store, which they are now up on there. And that is currently rockhounding.com/shop. And you can go over there and you can see the Intarsia fence for sale. Only available within the US. But I have other unique product ideas that I'm already working on. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with this. It's been a big process to go from concept to now that I'm starting to produce things. And I'm going to do some other batch runs of products. And based upon how that goes, I will start looking into the big investment of machine tooling. I still need a metal lathe, a big one, 12 inches by 36 inches, and a milling machine. But, you know, I just need to do it at my own pace, I guess. But I'm excited. Hopefully some of you here have followed along from, you know, the very beginning of this channel to now entering the lapidary product space. And I think I have a lot to offer there. You know, I don't want to steal ideas. I don't want to make things that already exist. Why in the world would I make my own 8-inch flat lap when High Tech Diamond, they already make a fabulous product? I can do things like making Intarsia fences that allow interesting new uses for existing machines, as well as maybe in the future rebooting old, long lost, forgotten designs from companies that went away in the 1960s. So stay tuned for the journey, everybody. We're going to be, I'm going to be putting out some good stuff, I think, in the coming 6 months, a year. You're going to be seeing neat stuff that you've never seen before that is going to change things for people. It's going to change things. Well, I appreciate each and every one of you. Go check out the store, currentlyrockhounding.com/shop. And if you are one of the people that purchased some of the ones from the first batch, hey, I would love it if you would share your honest thoughts about the Intarsia fence in a review of it. And what can I say? Becoming a machine manufacturer, slowly but surely.